Alright, so now to this next topic, we are going to be going ahead to set up the second tool that we are going to be needing for this survey course, and that's going to be the last tool that we need to set up, okay? And that is how to get a UK phone number. Like I told you in my pitch video that we will need a UK phone number to complete this process, because the reason why we are doing all of this is because if you have participated in any of these surveys before, you will notice that most people complain about payments, okay, even for the legit website. So we are trying to set up a perfect system that will make us not have any of that problem at all. So what we want to do now is that, again, you want to go to your Play Store, and then when you get to Play Store, you want to search for a particular app called Vyke, that is VYKE. Okay, so I'm going to search for that. All right, so this is it here, the second one here. So I'm going to install it. All right, so once Vyke app is successfully installed, we're going to open it. Okay, so you're going to allow this permission. Okay, so what we want to do here is to add our phone number. So I'm going to add my phone number here. Make sure you use the correct phone number. Of course, this +234 is already standing for 0, so I'm just going to continue with 7033512807. Okay, so once I confirm that my phone contact number is correct, I'm going to tap continue. We will now send an SMS with a pin to this. Yes, okay. So I'm going to go check my message inbox to see if this has arrived. So where is my message? Okay, so as you can see here, it has arrived. So I'm just going to copy it, and then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to paste it in. Please, I also need to let you know that while you're doing this, make sure that your VPN is off. You don't need to get it on for this to be successful. So make sure that your VPN is switched off before you do this. Okay, so you must accept our terms and conditions. I'm going to accept that. Okay, connect and share. I'm going to continue. Allow. All right, so you can see here, chat freely with Vyke users. So I'm going to just click on next. Local, I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on next. All right, so you can see here, get started with an extra mobile number now. So I'm just going to say get number. Okay, what country? Of course, here they've already chosen United Kingdom for me. That is the country that we are trying to target. All right, so there's no reason why you want to target another country except you are not using it for this purpose. So I'm leaving mine at United Kingdom. As you can see here, it goes for 5.99. That's $6. Okay, so I'm just going to choose. Okay, you can see we only have 3 months and 12 months here, so 3 months is the lowest cost, so I'm going to go for that. And then I'm going to just tap on purchase with Google Pay. Okay, sorry, before I do that, I'm going to come to this enter profile name, and then I'm going to add my name. Okay, so let me just do that. So you can see now that the purchase with Google Pay is now active. So I'm just going to purchase with Google Pay. Of course, you want to be sure that you have money in your card. So here is saying 3 months. You can see. So I'm just going to click on tap one tap buy. Okay, so you can see here payment is successful. So that is done. Alright, so you can see we are all set. You've successfully completed this setup. Here is a few pointers to help you get up and running. So you can just see here. So you can see here, this area shows everything related to your active profile. So I'm just going to click on next. Okay, so as you can see here, this button section is where you will find your other mobile numbers or profiles. Tap a profile here to make it an active profile. Any calls or SMS will then be sent from this number. Okay, so I can just decide to, if I tap on this number, my number is going to be reviewed, but I don't want to do that. So I will just click on next. Let's see. So you can see Here you see your current credit balance. You need to credit to make calls and send SMS to anyone that does not have VIKE. You can see, so that is all that. So I'm just going to say get it. So what is going to happen here is that if I tap on this muyiwa, for example, it's going to show my number here. Okay, so I'll tap on it, but I'm going to block it so you don't get to see it. So if I just tap on it, you can see it here. It's expiring 20th May 2024. You can renew it and the rest of them. So this is how to get your number. So go ahead, get that set up, and then we go to the next lesson. Thank you.